Welcome, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Happy early Thanksgiving. Crypto's pumping. Guys, pile on in here. Smash the like button. Share the stream with your friends and family. Let's get ready for some absolute moonage. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Happy Moonsgiving. Let's get right into it. Hello. Bitcoin is chilling at 96,312. We got a nice pre-Thanksgiving pump. Just in time to discuss it with the family, why they should buy at historic all-time highs. Guys, let's update our liquidation points and see what we got in the charts for us today. Anyone got any crazy plans for Thanksgiving? Or is everyone just going to their parents? Does anyone in the chat actually host Thanksgiving themselves? We got 97,406. I'd be curious to see that metric. Right there. And then we got 95,546. Ooh, right there. Nope, I went back down. Right there. I was driving home and I heard Don't Stop Believing came on the radio, and all I can think of is The Sopranos. When that song comes on, I'm like, man, they really messed this song up. No spoilers, but it's pretty crazy. Maine Coon Mommy said donating to a shelter. Nice. We thoroughly enjoy charity here at JJsCrypticCorner. I like to donate to animals, though. But nothing but respect for charitable individuals. John said, my plans are ignore my family, eat light, sneak out early, and come home and get to bed early in preparation for seeing a new woman in my life tomorrow. Interesting. How'd you like that face? I'm sorry. I'm in a goofy mood today, guys. Today was a fun day. It was pretty short work day. Nothing really a lot going on. What do we think, guys? Do we think Bitcoin's gonna come down? Eat this liquidation? We got a pretty big boy right here. Two of them actually. 94,819 and 94,576. Let's mark those. 94.8 and 94.5. Is that right? 94,819 and 94,576. Right there. I'll go 77. It's really hard to pinpoint. And then this is 819. That's good enough. So these are some big, nasty liquidations. So I'm going to make them red. Pretty spooky looking ones. Let's see if we hit those. I don't know if you guys remember, Unverified yesterday said that he predicted we were going to come up and bounce off of, I think he said 96.5 and make a lower low and then break through 100K. That's what he said he thinks is going to happen. And so far, it's looking like that could still be a possibility. Let's go through our coins really quick, guys. We got just under an hour until our daily close contest kicks off, or just over an hour, I'm sorry. We have 63 minutes until the daily close contest. Ethereum breaking through new local highs. Very nice. Nice performance from ETH today. Looking good. Finally starting to catch up. I believe the ETFs are finally starting to pick up steam as well for Ethereum. Total 3. Total 3 looking very good. About to break into new all-time highs again, or new local highs. Solana making a nice recovery. Potential head and shoulders setup here. If we turn bearish, I would expect this to be a valid pattern to trade. Maybe it is just a valid pattern to trade and we come back down to this support trend. ADA also breaking through its what is this, descending channel, upper trend line, and hopefully coming back down to test it as support and continue to the upside. SNEC up 9%. This is making me very happy today. Polkadot up 4.36%. I would like to see Polkadot bust above this. It's a weird one though. It is on Binance as well. We'll see what happens. SUI got back above its longer term trend, or its bullish div, what have you. I guess that was your definitive bust off of that. Maybe it gets some good upside from here, because that solidified that bullish div. We've been looking for a definitive move off of this line. C's been really pumping lately for some reason. There's a lot of volume here. See how much volume there is? Looks nice. HBAR has a lot of news with the Fed for some reason. They made some kind of deal for Fed now with XRP, I believe. So it doesn't seem to be pumping as much as I would expect it to, with that being the news. I'm not entirely sure why that is. CAS. Ooh, CAS is breaking out of its wedge. Let's see if this thing breaks out, gets a retest, and continues to moon. Avalanche. Also looking like a head and shoulders potential, but it's sloppy. So we'll see. It's kind of got like a W thing going on too. That is bullish div right there. That would have been a good trade. Shoot. I think I called that on stream yesterday too. 10%. Chainlink. Chainlink, same thing. Bullish div right there. Nice. Chainlink looks like it's getting ready to explode. Doge. Doge showing a little bit of a hesitation. If any of these coins are going to get any crazy Thanksgiving pump, I would suspect Doge would be one of them. Because it's like a retail meme coin. Everyone knows Doge. It's a household name. Probably more so than Bitcoin. We got Luna Classic. Kind of pretty much trading the same way everything else is trading, which is kind of hilarious. Polygon Matic Pole, 9.37%, kind of out of nowhere. Very nice. Is it going to do the MW, or is it just going to continue up from here and not give a crap about the MW? Near looking good. We do have bullish div here. Interesting to see how that plays out, if it already has played out or not. Chili's breaking out of its wedge again. Every time it does this, it has a pretty decent sized move up. Not financial advice, guys, but you can see here, every time it has a downtrend and it's broken out of it, it just goes up. Every single time. And it never really goes that low again. If you catch this bottom's higher. If you catch this bottom's higher. If you catch this bottom, hopefully this bottom's higher. That's an uptrend. It's very easy to see. Once you notice a pattern and it plays out a couple of times, it's very easy to see. MicroStrategy getting a nice recovery. DXY getting a little dumpy. That's what we want to see. Silver still kind of chilling. NASDAQ looking good. S&P, a little pullback from its all-time high yesterday or the day before. Looking good on the ass fractal though. Bitcoin dominance continuing to dump. Hopefully, this is the beginning of Altseason. And let's take it back to Bitcoin. We're currently chilling at 96,158 and 7 cents. Let me check the chat. John said, Friday, not tomorrow. What's Friday? Oh, you. Okay. Main Coon Mommy said, John, cheers. Vahid said, when Christmas turkey? Main Kun Mommy said, when Tripto fan, hi. I don't know what that means. The Irishman said, probably head down Thanksgiving for ye Yanks means markets are closed Thursday and half day Friday. 88K seems likely to me. Fidgety Beast said, hey JJ, what's going on, Fidgety Beast? Guys, we are in the midst of a Cardano legend in the chat. And a Twitter legend, actually. He holds the world record. It hasn't been officiated yet, as far as I know. And I was with him when this happened. This was pretty sick. He holds the world record for the longest X space in history, outdoing Elon's X space by, I think, several hours. I don't know. Fidgety Beast, give us those stats, because I know you know them, because that's freaking awesome. I need you to brag a little bit to my people, because that's sick. John said Bitcoin dominance on the edge of the abyss. That's what we're looking for. That is exactly what we're looking for. Manku Mommy said tryptophan is the compound in turkey that makes us feel sleepy and happy. Interesting. Okay. Is that in all of the turkey? I'm a white meat turkey guy. Is that weird? Does that make me feminine? Also, my mom makes this macaroni salad, and it's been in the family for like forever. It's like every sibling fights over taking home the largest amount of this, and I always just take the container. I always like sneak out with the container. That's funny. All right, guys. Let's see. I got some articles for us to go through. We got quite a bit of time. We ran through the charts pretty fast. Look at how beautiful Snack looks. It's so pretty. I'm so excited. Manku Mommy said, I live Max Salad. I also live Max Salad. Without Max Salad, I die. Yeah. I mean, there's not really a pattern here. It's just Bitcoin doing its thing. I will say, if you look here, it gets a little choppy, and then it dips, and then it comes back down one more time, and then it rips. Right now, we got a little choppy. We dip. Is it going to come back down one more time, and then rip? I think that's quite possible. It's the same pattern repeating over and over again. We'll see what happens. It's just a little more shallow this time. If it is the same pattern at all. Alright, guys, let's go through some articles. Just a quick warning. Actually, you know what? Let me try out. I got an extension yesterday. Let's see if it works. I'm going to go super dark mode. And then I'm going to go... Bam. Let's go. Okay. No more warning about blinding you guys. Tether's 5 billion mint and political entanglements raise suspicion about industry. Unraveling Tether's complex web of financial maneuvers and its impact on the global crypto market. Here we go. This is a TetherFud article because I think TetherFud is hilarious. Oh my gosh. Stablecoin giant Tether once again grabbed the headlines with a remarkable minting spree that injected over $5 billion into the market within a span of 72 hours. This surge not only caught the attention of crypto enthusiasts, but also raised eyebrows among financial circles, particularly given Tether's historic significance in driving market liquidity. At the epicenter of the development has been Howard Lutnick, CEO of American financial service giant Cantor Fitzgerald, and a key figure in Donald Trump's transition team. In recent months, Lutnick has been vocal about defending Tether's financial stability, a stance that coincided with Trump's announcement of Lutnick as his nominee for Secretary of Commerce. These developments came against a backdrop of ongoing investigations. The U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of New York has been probing potential illicit activities associated with Tether, including concerns about terrorism financing. Meanwhile, Cantor Fitzgerald has emerged as a critical banking partner for Tether at time when many global banks have distanced themselves from the stablecoin issuer. Tether's impact on the market, blah, blah, blah. $100,000 threshold. Okay. The expansion in the supply seems to align with broader market optimism, as historical increases in USDT circulation have correlated with gains in major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, with the asset recently approaching the historical $100,000 threshold, buoyed by market sentiment surrounding Trump's forthcoming return to the presidency. Double standards, observers on Latinx Tetherlink, Tether's backing woes. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like there's been Tether FUD since Tether's inception, and it's always junk. They've never actually gotten in trouble for anything, and they've proven every time that they've needed to that they're legitimate. So there's never anything to worry about with this stuff. I think it's goofy. And maybe if I'm proven wrong in the future and I look like a dummy, then so be it. I think at that point, all would be lost anyways, because Tether's like the biggest stablecoin in crypto. Tyler Yetzer said LCX is about to explode. Let's go take a look at LCX. LCX? What is LCX? Oh, shoot. Ooh, I found it somehow. It's about to explode. It looks like it's currently in the middle of exploding. If this is the right thing. Wow. It's up a casual 217%. Very nice. I don't even know what to say about this. That's crazy. You got bullish div right here too, which would have called that move for you. Why? There we go. Very nice indeed. Alexander said, I have a nice bag of LCX. Evil Fox said Latinx firm was hit by one of the planes on 9/11, lost his brothers and a lot of his coworkers. Wow. Alexander said huge gains today. Drew said, hey gang, I am off to do my hot Pilates class. Good luck, Drew. Smash the like on the stream and let me know if we're playing DayZ later, because I don't have to work tomorrow and I'm ready. I'm ready for some DayZ. Tyler said, this is nothing. I believe you, Tyler. I feel it. I can feel it, Mr. Krabs. I'm super stoked, super excited. 34 cents, 200%. That's pretty sick. Let's see what Bitcoin can do too, though. If Bitcoin's going to pull back, then let's see what alts can truly do. Let's go on to the next one. Sorry, guys. Okay. Solana price recovers from sharp sell-off. Is $300 SOL possible? Solana's on-chain and derivatives data suggests that SOL could make a run back towards its all-time high in the short term. Solana's native token SOL has surged 8% since falling to 222 on November 26th. Despite this recovery, some investors remain skeptical, citing the sharp correction from its all-time high of 263.8 on November 23rd as a potential sign of a faltering bull run. However, on-chain and derivatives data suggests that SOL still holds significant upside potential. Investors' frustration partly stems from SOL's modest 1% gain between the 20th and the 27th. What? During which, I like how short-sighted these articles are. They're like, 1 week, there was only 1% for a whole week. When we just saw literally all-time highs on SOL. It's so silly to me. While pinpointing the exact cause of the shifting investor sentiment is challenging, SOL holders should focus on Solana's strengthening fundamentals. The network has solidified its position as the second largest programmable blockchain by developer activity and user engagement. Supporting this growth, Solana's TVL rose 48% in the last 30 days, leading up to November 27th. So, I feel like 300 is definitely programmed. I'm ready. I like the $1,000 SOL predictions. I think those are crazy. So we'll see if those even come true at all. But I like it. I like the idea. Tyler said, look at all-time high. All right, let's go look at all-time high on LCX. Let me go to the weekly. All-time high is, what, the launch price? 66 cents? Or is there a different chart? Kraken? Nope, Kraken doesn't go back far enough. Crypto. This is just crypto. It just says crypto. This is 57. Why is it just called crypto? Spot crypto. Interesting. It looks like the all-time high is 66 cents according to Coinbase. 67? Let me know if there's a different exchange that I need to look at it on. Next article, Altseason delayed due to lack of fresh retail capital. Investors rotate into altcoins along a risk curve, starting with the large cap assets and eventually migrating into riskier lower cap altcoins. This is kind of cool, the friend's couch and the fountain. That's really neat. CryptoQuaint founder and CEO Ki Young-ju recently argued that altcoin season, a period of rapidly appreciating altcoin prices, typically following a Bitcoin bull market, will require new capital injections from retail investors to commence. The quantitative analyst wrote that institutional money is already tied up with exchange-traded funds, and the institutional investors who own crypto indirectly through investment vehicles are unlikely to rotate gains from blue-chip assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum into altcoins. For altcoins to reach new all-time high market caps, they will require a significant influx of fresh capital to crypto exchanges. The altcoin market cap below its previous all-time high indicates reduced fresh liquidity from new exchange users. So I don't disagree with this guy, actually. I don't disagree with him at all. But I do think that we are going to get that fresh retail capital injection. I think that that's coming. Retail has not reinstated their interest in crypto since last bull market. I think it's just now starting to heat up. And I think Bitcoin getting to 100K is going to be one of the main catalysts for that. Let me check the chat. Drew said, I don't have to work either. Nice. Alexander said, if Bitcoin goes lower but holds above 90, then dominance will fall. Tishu said, question about your LCX and others charting. You don't look for possible resistance levels to the left? Normally I would, but it's kind of blowing up. And when stuff is... This is like a blue sky breakout. Even though there is previous resistance, it just kind of seems like it's busting through all of that. I would go with areas where it shows previous resistance and support based on the price activity. Like right here, you got resistance, 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 support. This is kind of general right here, and then right here. So the other alternative that you can do for that, if you really want to get in depth with it, is the fixed volume profile. Click the little arrow right here next to the long position indicator and go to fixed range volume profile. Start at the beginning and usually go to Bath taught us this, and he said January 1st is the best way to go. So go all the way back to January 1st right there. And that's going to show you all the volume trading on this, which is going to give you all of your points of support and resistance. And we're just going to put a line at the peaks, which is right here and right here. The rest of them are below us. So I guess I would go right here for support, and right here for support, and right here for support. If you notice, I'm going to the points on this fixed range volume profile right here. Right here. So those are all your support levels. And because it's only measuring this year, I guess once you break through 36, it's probably just going to keep going. And then you got your all-time high at 66. But because that was the launch price on Coinbase, there isn't a lot of volume there at all. So, and if there is, it's all like people selling. So it's got an uphill battle, but it's chugging through it like it's nothing. Let's go to our last article. All right, actually, let me check the chat again really quick. There was more stuff. Drew said, so many crypto articles are dumb AF. I know. They really are. The Irishman said, what a stupid article. Sol 25 quid off all-time high, and they say it's bearish. I know, right? Tyler said, JJ, you'll buy LCX, low supply, low market cap. Tyler said, LOL. Or Alexander said, LOL. Tyler said, Kim Jong-un crypto now. Jose said, hey, JJ, are community takeovers bullish for memes? It's pretty normal. I wouldn't say it's bullish or bearish. It just seems to be the norm. The dev will launch the coin, and then they'll rug it or just leave. And then the community's like, well, we want to keep doing this. So it really depends on the community. If the right people are there, then I feel like it can go crazy. I've seen it work in some places. I've seen it not work in others. Alexander said, idiots. People in early will pull out money from ETH and Bitcoin. They will rotate into the crypto below, and then retail will see gains and jump in. Exactly. Christmas Villager said, Happy Turkey Eve. Exactly. Happy Moonsgiving, guys. Happy Moonsgiving. Smash the like button. Have we hit our goal of 10 likes yet? It is 6:08 p.m. EST. The daily close is coming up in 52 minutes. We are at 8 likes. We got 17 people watching. Very nice. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Let us continue. Bitcoin's metrics suggest bull market is far from overvalued. Despite recent price corrections, Bitcoin's valuation metrics still indicate a bull cycle ahead. Bitcoin's valuation metrics suggest the bull market is far from over and could be setting the stage for even further highs, with no signs of overvaluation typically seen at price peaks. Analysts are eyeing a current potential target of $146,000 in this cycle. Wow. In November 27th report, research from CryptoQuaint. I've noticed a lot of stuff is from CryptoQuaint in these articles. Notes that the value held by new Bitcoin holders still lags behind previous cycle levels. Holdings of new investors currently just above 50% of the total invested in the cryptocurrency, while in previous market tops such as 2017 and 2021, it was over 90 and 80% respectively. These levels may be justified by a slow retail activity in Bitcoin purchases over recent weeks. According to the analysis, heightened retail activity is often a typical condition of a market cycle tops. Since October, retail investors have reduced their holdings by 41,000 Bitcoin, while larger investors have significantly increased their holdings, adding 130,000. Basically, dumb money is selling, smart money is buying, way more than dumb money is selling. That's kind of hilarious. And everyone's worried about us being topped out right now. This is probably my favorite article so far. Obviously, it supports my bullish bias. So, all right. The shift suggests a potential transition in market dynamics, with institutional and large-scale players driving the accumulation phase. Investors on exchange-traded funds led the purchases of Bitcoin in November, with weekly inflows soaring to a record 3.1 billion in in the week ending November 22nd. When the cryptocurrency price reached a record $99,655.50. Very nice, guys. As far as I'm concerned, Bitcoin hit 100K that day. But we're going to wait to celebrate until it actually hits 100K. I'll be modest. The Bitcoin price declined to around 91,000 on November 26th, failing to break the $100,000 resistance level. For some analysts, the cryptocurrency may still see a 30% correction before crossing the six-figure milestone. CryptoQuaint's bull-bear market cycle indicator has been in the bull area since early November and has been rising since then. However, the indicator still lags from the overheated bull phase reached for the last time in March 2024, when Bitcoin achieved a new high, trading above 70,000. Really? Wow, that's amazing. I love this indicator. Oh. From a realized price valuation perspective, Bitcoin's top price target is currently at $146,000. This price band has acted as a top for the price of Bitcoin in previous cycles, such as in April-May 2021. States the report, the P&L index has not reached overvalued levels so far this cycle, which indicates the price would still have room to increase. I love that. This is my favorite article. Article of the day right here, guys. Bullish AF people say bullish things about Bitcoin being bullish. JJ likes. LCX is getting a little pumpy. Let me turn off this goofy thing. There we go. Bitcoin is pulling back a little bit. Bitcoin dominance is dumping a little bit. Let's see. ETH is up 10% today. It looks pretty amazing. Let me check the chat. Tyler said 63.59 LCX bag. Very nice. Alexander said based AI just went on a huge run. Tyler said I might go into Sologenic. Check out Sologenic. That's another gem. Is that on TradingView? Let me just look it up. Does anybody get bothered when people are like, check out this, and then the streamer is like, I can't find it. I don't know where to find it. Like they can't use Google. That always drives me crazy. Or when they're like, I'm not gonna look at coins on Dex Screener, like they're better than the entire cryptocurrency market. It bugs me. This thing looks great. This is like a big bull flag. Am I crazy? Maybe I'm just crazy. I see like a beautiful symmetrical triangle. And it did the same thing here already. Same exact thing. The same exact thing. Is it going to do that? Watch it go. Boop. Watch it do that. I'm going to leave this on the chart. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but it's already happened once. Why did this thing explode out of nowhere? Dang. Look at that. Talk about a sleeper hold. Holy crap. That's awesome. They must have done something recently. Congratulations to any holders of this. Tyler said, look at its market cap and supply. Market cap 247 million, fully diluted. Okay, so it is fully circulating as well. That's actually awesome. Huh. What I want to know is that are they going to get listed on any other exchanges? They do have a Twitter. Let's go check out the Twitter. Your gateway to tokenization. Really? TradFi meets blockchain, issue, trade, and manage your digital assets on a decentralized platform. But what do they do? Let's see. Seeing a lot of buzzwords. Optimizing liquidity. Let's go to their website. Sell me this pen. Advanced tokenization solutions for institutions. Okay. What does that mean, though? Okay, CBDC. Custom-built tokenization tool for CBDCs and private ledgers. Tokenization brokerage solution for financial institutions. Trade tokenized stocks from the top global exchanges in a test environment. Interesting. So they have a wallet, which is out on iOS and Android, which is interesting. The leading decentralized exchange on XRP. What? What's the market cap? Ooh. Okay, I might have to buy some just for the XRP stuff. How long have they been around? 2019, 183,000 followers. And where can I buy it? Bybit, BitGet, HTX, Gate, BingX, MXC, Bitmart. I think I'm just going to have to KYC at MXC, guys. I think it's time. Interesting. All right, well, I'm going to leave that open to reference it later. Let's take a look at our watch list, see if anything is doing good at all. It's been kind of getting slaughtered for like a month now. So, maybe not a month. It's been about a week and a half, probably. ETH is looking real good. We put, I think, 10 bucks into this. What's going on? Is my wallet connected? Oh, there we go. Connect wallet. Yeah, there we go. Aha. Ooh, we're up 100% on ETH. Very nice. The ticker is ETH, guys. Not financial advice, of course. Guys, feel free to shill your bags in the chat. Coinbase Wallet. Life on Earth said it's already gone up 600% in the past 3 weeks. Tyler said you welcome. What are you talking about? Sologenic? I know. I'm aware. I like it, though. It looks really good. It has gone up 600%. But you could have said the same thing back here. You could have said it's already gone up 250%. And I would have probably agreed with you. I would have been like, yeah, you're right. I should not buy this because it's up 260%. But this is only the beginning. And you don't make money without taking a little bit of risk. So, what's life without risk? John mentioned Bitcoin dominance. Let's go see what John said. John said Bitcoin dominance is slipping more. Very nice. That's what we like to see. Guys, is my webcam flickering randomly? Tyler said yes, things can move thousands of percent with that market cap. That is true. 250 million is nothing. Nothing. Jose said $1 on Sol. Can it still run? Let's see. Jim Kennedy said Link on the list. Link is my current boo. Link is doing great, Jim. I'm hearing rumors. Don't like invest based on this information. Plus, you do have bullish div right here too, Jim. So, congratulations. Link is about to go crazy, in my opinion. But I am hearing rumors that there's a potential Chainlink ETF in the works. Just a rumor. Don't sue me. He said, Link, ETH, and Pepe will save my soul. Tyler said, yes, things can move, blah, blah, blah. Life on Earth said, yeah, solo. I mean, it's a Star Wars thing, too. Alexander said, new B are probably buying the wrong soul accidentally. That's what I thought was really funny about this ETH on Sol. I was like, this is great. I can buy ETH, and it's really cheap. The fee is really cheap. The ETH is really cheap. And it's a meme. Vitalik said the ticker is ETH, which cracks me up. And it's blowing up right now. Somebody on stream bought this with me. I don't remember who it was. There's also the Bongo Cat Batman symbol in the RSI, which every time we see this, the price blows up afterwards. Every single time. I don't know why. It's the weirdest thing. Jim Kennedy said I'm 7.5% Link. Nice. Life on Earth said XRP and HBAR have made my holidays. Very nice. XRP did amazing. So did HBAR. HBAR and XRP are actually working with the Fed for their Fed Now payments, aren't they? Alexander, yep, I read that already. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining me. We have 30 minutes until our daily close contest. So you basically have to guess what you think the price of Bitcoin is going to close at. And we start guessing 10 minutes prior, and we stop guessing 5 minutes prior, and the first 10 guesses are like entered in. We only take 10. If you nail the first 5 digits, you win $15. If you nail all 7, you win a special prize. It might be merch, it might be $100. I get to pick, basically. And if you don't nail either, but you still get closest without going over, you win bragging rights. Yesterday, we kind of made a new rule because, who was it? I think it was Stinky Scrublet. Guessed, and he got it like within, where did it go? Did I delete it already? He got within like $2. He was only $2 off, but he nailed 6 out of the 7 digits. So I did send him $5. His last, he got like, it was like 96, 934 and 16 cents. And he guessed 96, 932 and 16 cents or something like that. So he was only off on that 1 digit. Alexander, yep, Life on Earth said, yes, sir. I expect HBAR, XRP, and XLM to continue to go up. Great buy and hold plans for those. I used to be such an XLM maxi. I'm kind of ashamed that I'm not anymore. Tyler said, JJ, please, please, please. I have to go, but let me put my guess in. 96, 430, and 53 cents, Tyler. You can't. What do you guys think? It is super duper early. I'm gonna do a poll. I'll do a poll for you, Tyler. I'll let the people decide. Let me see. He is volunteering to put his guess in 27 minutes ahead of time. I'm going to let the people decide. It's kind of a democracy. I'll give that like 10 minutes. And then I'll take a picture of this too so I have it for reference just in case it's a yes. Okay. All right, guys. Show me some coins or something. Should we go browse some soul memes? Oops. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to blind you guys. Let's see, we got Raccoon, we got Bad Guy. That's kind of funny. Santa. Ooh, wait. We gotta check the watch list for the B&B Santa. That should be pumping right now, shouldn't it? Did I get rid of it? I think I might have gotten rid of it. No, it's right here. Let's go. People are starting to front run Christmas. What is it up? Do I not get a percentage here? Why wouldn't it tell me a percentage? Is this for real? Okay. 19 to 21. Is it not? That's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Okay. Oh well. Bitcoin is at 95,800. Bitcoin dominance is slipping more and more as the day goes by. Guys, quick update on our Bitcoin dominance fractal. I am expecting dominance to pull down for the remainder of the month. And then possibly, this is my guess, one last run up in December. And then post-December, starting January, alt season, alts start to run. Bitcoin dominance goes on vacation for the remainder of the bull market. That's my guess. And it's strictly based on the previous bull market, actually. Let's see. Tyler said, I'm taking my kids to see Moana 2. Nice. Alexander said, here are my top holds. Bitcoin, ETH, Sol, Crow, Sand, AVAX, ICP, AVX. That's interesting. I don't think I've heard of that one. IMX, QNT, LIK. I also have not heard of that one. LCX, Pith, and Jupe. Guys, Pith just reminds me of Mike Tyson trying to say piss. He's like, I have to take a pith. That's all I imagine whenever I read that one. Life on Earth said, this isn't crypto, but I found an interesting lithium stock that I think will be huge in the near future. Knock Brothers partnered with them, and the DOE just gave them a $225 million grant. SLI is the symbol. Alexander said link. Let's go take a look at link, and then we're going to look at that stock. Life on Earth, just so you're aware, we do not discriminate. We look at crypto, we look at meme coins, we look at stocks. So anything that has to do with the financial markets, please feel free to show. Alexander said AVAX was a dupe. Link looks great. All right, let's check out this stock, SLI. Standard Lithium Ltd. $1.68. What's the current market cap? Oops. I can't spell today. Market cap is 432.82 million Canadian dollars. Let's convert that for my simple brain. So 300 million. $300 million market cap. Interesting. Ooh, okay. So it's got some history. I mean, it just kind of seems like it's at the lows right now compared to December 21. This kind of correlates with the liquidity cycle. And it's got a double bottom right here too. Beautiful double bottom. Is that a double bottom, breakout, retest, continuation? See if that happens. That'd be kind of cool. Be interesting to see what occurs. Is it coming to fill this gap? Oh, it filled it already. Whoa. I mean, it filled it back here. Wow, it filled it right here. All right. XLM. Let's go take a look at XLM for Tiberius. Tiberius. I don't know if you're familiar with Critical Role, but that was one of the characters' names for Campaign 1. I'm sorry. I got to read that again. XLM. Let's go take a look at XLM. XLM, very, very nice. Guys, XLM, let's go back down to the 4-hour. Was in this wedge, this falling wedge, broke out. Maybe it's going to come down, curl down, get a retest and continuation. What we want to see is it hold this upper trend line. That is very important for XLM right now. But a lot of good news coming out for XLM. They got that stablecoin business with Wyoming. And they ran up 433%. So if it does get a pullback, don't be surprised. I do think that it's a good long-term play, though. And I like this structure right now. This structure looks amazing. You also technically have bullish div right here. Technically. Price is up, RSI is down. This is not financial advice. All right, what do we got next? Life on Earth said, from everything I've read about this SLI stock, is that the U.S. seems to be depending on this lithium deposit in Arkansas of all places. Mikey K said, if you don't have Chill Guy, I don't know what you're doing. Mikey K also said, free alpha for the chat. Jim Kennedy said, later might come back for the Bitcoin prediction. Keep up the great work, JJ. I appreciate you, Jim Kennedy. Thank you for stopping by. And Mikey said, no one's in on Chill Guy. And then Fahid said, can we see Supra? Let's go take a look at the Chill Guy first. Chill Guy. Just a chill guy. Let's see what the market cap is. 569 million. Mr. Mikey, I will go ahead and I will buy. I'm a cheapo, so don't judge me, but I will buy some Chill Guy. 6.9. I will buy $6.9 worth of Chill Guy for you, my good friend. But you do have to like the stream and share it with your friends and family. There you go. I purchased 12.14 Chill Guy. Thank you very much. Roger B said, Dot, we're going to go look at Supra for Fahid. Chill Guy, I like that this blew up. It makes me happy, and I'm happy to contribute. Supra, is this the stock, Fahid? Or just the coin? Tyler said, lithium for the crypto mining? Following crypto charts seems interesting. That does seem interesting. Stressed guy. Are you talking about the Toyota Supra? What are you talking about, Fahid? Help me understand the Supra. Okay, let's go look at Dot while Fahid, I guess, waits for my video delay to reach him. Polkadot. So we've been watching Polkadot for quite some time. We watched it ride this long-term green trend, and then it broke above into this short-term blue trend, broke back below into the long-term green trend, broke below the green trend, and then it broke back above it and used that as a springboard to break above the blue short-term trend, and then it just started blowing up. You got bullish div, explosion, bullish div, explosion. Currently, I mean, is this bullish div? The bullish div is iffy. I wouldn't trust it if it was, but I will point it out for you guys. There is bullish div right here. So it stops right there. Do with that information what you will. I wouldn't trade that bullish div specifically, but I do like this flag descending channel situation. I would like to see it break above this upper trend line, retest, and get a continuation to the upside for Polkadot specifically. Fahid said it's a coin, supra.com. All right. Trusting you, Fahid. Build super DApps on the all-in-one Supra L1. Oh. Supra Oracles. What is the ticker? It's just Supra? Why won't it show up anywhere? Aha. Supra. Nope, that's Sora. Why? Where is it tradable? Gate, MXC, Bybit, KuCoin. Do they not have... I mean, there's KuCoin charts on TradingView. What's going on? Super? Yeah, I don't know. KuCoin? I don't know what it traded, I guess. That's my biggest thing. Did it just come out? Maybe it's super duper new. November 27th? Did this just launch today, Fahid? Is that what's happening? I think that's what's happening. Life on Earth said it. My PC keeps restarting on its own. So damn annoying. Anyone have a fix for that? Ha ha ha. I would just Google my PC keeps. Why does my PC keep restarting on its own? Tyler said, yep. Roger said, dot. We looked at that. Fahid, Supra came out today. Oh, I like his little art. The Supra L1 Vision. See right here. Multi-VM means you build with your language. That's cool. Native oracles. Backed by top investors. Coinbase Ventures. Animoca. Huobi. Razer. Really? That's a big one. That's a big one right there. That's... Why is it still highlighted? Stop. Thank you. Programs and accelerators. Berkeley Blockchain Accelerator. MasterCard Start Path Plug and Play. This is very interesting. Starcade now live. This is like the nicest crypto website I think I've ever seen. Ice cream swap. Cana Labs. Ecosystem map. I'm kind of sold on this. I really want to look into it more. Wow. How have I not heard it? Did it launch today or am I crazy? Roger said Uniswap. Okay, let's look at Uni. The chat keeps connecting and disconnecting. Uniswap on Binance. Getting a nice run up. What was the all-time high on this? This thing is like way below its all-time high, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, I guess not way below, but 43 bucks. That's quite a run still. Why don't I remember it being so much higher? Am I thinking of something else? There's Uniswap. There's Sushi Swap. Is that what I'm thinking of? No. That's weird. That's so weird. Why do I feel like... I know Wi-Fi is like the most insanely overpriced junk. Oh, not anymore. Wow, this thing was, somebody paid $94,000 for this. I would be so mad. Imagine if Bitcoin went down to 7K right now. That's essentially what this did. What happened to them? Do you guys remember Year in Finance? I'm afraid to even go to the website. That's super, I guess I would call it depressing if I'm being completely honest. No, please don't connect my wallet. Discover products, submit your app. What the F is a Yearn Vault? What are they trying to do now? Appeal to the kids? What is this? Take the blue pill. Get out of here. This website, I think, needs a little bit of updating. The one that we just looked at for Super is beautiful. This isn't bad, though, I guess. What do you do? What does Yearn do, though? What does Yearn do? Besides, like, facilitate nothing. It's like a marketplace. Oh my gosh, look at this horrible. Is this when I put on Bitcoin dominance? It is. Oh, why did I do that? I don't think it's gonna pull back. That's a ridiculous fractal. Let's check on Bitcoin dominance. Ooh. Break it down. Is it gonna break below 58 live on the air? Janik said GM. So we are live, LOL. Should have checked. Haha. John said Bitcoin dominance going to 57.67. If Bitcoin went down to 7K, there would be precisely... Oh, exactly. Didn't it wick again? Or is that somewhere else? Something wicked somewhere. Let me see. I think there was a recent wick on something. It must not have been Bitcoin. Something wicked down really, really hard. Kind of like Bitcoin going to like 8.5K on Binance US last bull market. And that's literally just a liquidity crisis. There's no liquidity. There's no AMM. And the latest buy order, the latest market buy order was at $8,500. And somebody clicked market sell and they just went, yep. And they probably sold a whole Bitcoin to somebody at like 60K for $8,500. So some guy who had that ridiculously low market buy, he was the next best buy for this dude. And he got an instant like 10x return or 8x return on his investment because he had that super stingy, super low buy order. Yes, the Irishman, Binance wrapped Bitcoin. Yep, dude sold at market and wick to 8K. That's exactly what it was. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that's crazy to me. And I think it was because Coinbase delisted it. So people were like panic selling out of it. And there was just no liquidity, which is hilarious. Oh shit. All right. Let's see. Welcome guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Smash the like button. If you're new, please consider subscribing. We're at 317 subs. It's very cool, very cool. Full transparency, guys. I think we're 1 week away from reaching our 3,000 watch hour goal. So the only other goal left is the 500 subs, and then we will be able to enable super chats and what's the other thing? Memberships. And then I can put my merch underneath the videos, which will be really cool. Also, feel free to check out the merch. It's in the description, or you can go to the bio on the channel. Bitcoin dominance, 58.11. I think it's going to break below 58 before the end of the stream. Let me put a line there just to set a goal. And I'm going to make it a thin boy. And it's green because that means our alts are going to go crazy. Bitcoin, or I'm sorry, ETH is up 10% today, which looks amazing. Very excited for my fellow ETH friends. Total 3 get a nice uptrend again. It really has not stopped this trajectory, which is great. Like, that looks beautiful right there. Should I just copy paste? Let me copy paste another one. Why not? Look at that. It's not the same by any means, but it's the same like direction. Sol up 5.4%. We're looking at the daily close contest coming up in 7 minutes, guys. First 10 entries get in. We're going to guess the daily close price on Bitcoin in 7 minutes. And it's going to be the Bitcoin Binance USDT chart. If you nail the first 5 digits, you win $15. If you nail all 7, you win a special prize. Could be $100, could be some merch. If you only get as close as possible without going over, you win bragging rights. Honest Geo said, any thoughts on Elon? Let me check out Elon. I think I looked at this recently for somebody. I feel like the people behind this know how to market, and this is like one of the up and coming memes that kind of blew up out of nowhere last bull market. I fully expect it to do the same exact thing this time. So you currently have this accumulation zone down here, which it broke out of finally. And then you have this support area right here. And this support, so it was support back here and here, and then maybe right here, and then it would turn into resistance here and here, and now it's trying to, it's using this as a springboard down here to fight this support resistance. Hopefully if you can get a good hold right here and use that as a base for further upside, that's what I would like to see. And that's on the 4 hour. It looks good. It looks good for a continued upside. Just be careful. I don't know if you can see this run up, spike down, accumulation, and then drop. You got the same thing. Run up, spike down, accumulation. You want to see it pop rather than drop. So just be careful. This is definitely the exact same liquidity structure right here. But the current green upside is definitely new. That was not present here at all. So that's what you want to see it continue to do that. I would say if you break below this level, just exercise caution, be careful. Not financial advice, do your own research. Let's see. Yeah, that's it, guys. We got 4 more minutes until our daily close contest begins. We got 24 people watching, guys. Smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. How many likes are we at? Did we break our 10 like goal? Yes, we did. We're at 17. Nice. You guys are killing it. Honest Geo said it's only $10. But it could be more. It could be more. Yeah, Dogelon, I had a bunch of this last bull market, and I sold it like right before it blew up like crazy. And I was a little bit butthurt about it, but I didn't hate the coin after that. A lot of times when that happened, I absolutely despised the project. For Dogelon, I was actually quite pleased to see it run because I thought that the people behind it were hilarious. So it made me happy. It made me happy. Because it was one of those that didn't seem like it could go anywhere. And then it just did out of nowhere. I think the guys made like some giant statue that they like delivered to SpaceX or something like that. It was really funny. The dudes that made it are like a couple of college frat boys. And they're like the best at marketing. So, I don't know. It was good shit. It was a fun time. Money said, hello. What's going on, Money? John said we need to get that shit to 20 likes before the hour is out. Get it to 20 likes before the daily close contest. We got 3 more minutes, guys. Copy. Oh, wow. So the Tyler thing is at yes. So I'm going to end the poll. He got yes by 53%, so he is going to be our first guess. Wow. I can't believe that. The people have spoken. What a close call, though. He said he's taking his kids to go and see Moana 2. And he submitted his guess like an hour beforehand. And you guys okayed it. You guys are so nice. All right, I'm going to put his guess on here. We're not guessing yet. We still got 2 more minutes. I will announce it in the chat. But Tyler did get an early entry. He said 96, 4, 30, 53. Okay. That's it. John's going to be so mad. I mean, it is just kind of a placeholder. So because of that, I guess I'll go up to 11. I'll go up to 11, the first 11 entries. So you guys got less than 1 minute here. Fahid, you're a little early. Hang on, I'm waiting for my clock to change. And any second now, any second now. Janik said I vote no for Fahid. That's funny. He said I'll just redo it. That'd be funny. That would be such a mean rule if I was like, you only get to enter once. All right, go guys, go. All right, John said 96, 430, and 54. Index 95, 6969. Very nice. Fahid. Copy. Jose 96, 150. Jose Felix. I'm going to start putting last names because I don't want people to cheat and be like, I'm Jose, when it's not. Oh, shit. I'm hacking the mainframe. I can't even spell, man. My brain is like scrambled right now. I'm so excited for Thanksgiving. I just need the food. Janix 96, 092, 31. Oh, you know what we haven't done in a couple of days? Money said anyone sees it. I got nothing from you, Money. Nothing. Go to the Discord. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Do. Oh, there you go. Nice, nice, nice. All right. 95, 836, 81. Got you, got you. Okay, let me go back. Back. Money, money, money. Okay, who's next? Who's next? Nothing. Okay, cool. John is changing his? 96, 430, 54. I got yours, John. Oh. Yeah. too much. All right, guys, we got 3 more minutes, and we still have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We still have 3 spaces. For anybody else that wants to get in, it costs you nothing, and you could win everything. Get your guesses in. 3 more guesses to go. 3 more spots available. 3 more spots open. The clock is ticking. Accidentally whacked my mic. There we go. Hoffs is at 96. He's clearly doing something else, and he has the thing playing in the background. No big deal. That is why he continues to lose by a penny. Jimbo John, daily close. Fahid said, I hope to win, so it goes into shambles. We are guessing the close price on Bitcoin Tether Binance chart specifically. You got 1 more minute to get your guess in. Okay, there we go. Jimbo John, 96,235. Jimbo John, if you are not familiar, let me read that again. 96,235. So if you nail the first 5 digits, you win $15. If you nail all 7, you win a special prize, which might be some merch. It might be $100. It could be anything. I'm short on Bitcoin at the moment, or Bitcoin ATMs, because both of them, Bitcoin ATMs especially, are garbage. Shirley Fortress said, staked ETH WPLS on Pulse chain. Do your own research. Stables are pegging on Pulse. Nice. But yeah, Jimbo John, you have a chance to win money. If you don't nail anything, though, if you just get closest without going over, you win bragging rights. And we start the guesses 10 minutes before the daily close, and then we end them either at 10 submissions or 5 minutes prior, whichever comes first. What leverage are you using? Do you use high leverage or low leverage? I'm curious. Guys, that's it. We got our guesses. He said it's going to 80. Oof. I mean, that's okay if it does. Because that means that alts will probably run because Bitcoin dominance will take a little doo-doo. Which I'm totally okay with. Okay, let's put these in order. We got 96, 430, 53. John, wait a minute. Did John guess over Tyler's on purpose? Let me go back. That can't be John's. Is that really John's? Yeah, it is 96, 430, and 54. What? He said way too much right now, LOL. Jim Kennedy said, crap, I'm late. You can't win them all, Jim Kennedy. Can't win them all. John is 1 penny over Tyler, which is really funny. Index 95.96, or I'm sorry, 95.6969. Vahid 95.766. 96.150 for Jose Felix. Let me move him up. Copy. Actually, these would both be in order. Right here. Copy. 96.092. And then we got 96 for Hoffs. Copy. Paste. And then, let's see, 69. Heat is 766, so let's move him above index. Money 836, so let's move her above heat. And then Jimbo John 96,235. Copy. All right, cool. Janik said LMAO. Jim Kennedy said watching Free Body Problem. Let me know how it is. The trailer for it looked awful. Like the calculator thing, I was like, what is this? It made me so angry. And then knowing that it's the guys from Game of Thrones that butchered Game of Thrones, in my opinion, the final season, absolutely destroyed it. I can't sit down and watch it unless somebody tells me that I need to. So let me know if it's a need to watch. Janik said John out here protesting the early vote. He's protesting the early vote so much that he created a second account and called it Jimbo John. I'm just kidding. I don't know if that's actually his second account. Guys, we got 3 more minutes until the daily close. Smash the like button. Did we get to 20 likes yet? Let me check. Jim Kennedy said I voted no on the early vote and then came back late. The early vote actually closed at 53% in favor of Tyler. Fahid said Dumb and Dumber destroyed Game of Thrones. Oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you for calling them Dumb and Dumber. Because that's what I always call them. Season 8 would have been brilliant. They had the plan to go to like 10 seasons or something like that. And then they were like, nope, we're only going to do 10 episodes in season 8. And then they're like, actually, we're going to do like 5 episodes. Because they were rushing. Disney was like, we want you guys to do Star Wars. And they were like, oh, shoot. Let's screw Game of Thrones. I love Star Wars. They rushed it, butchered it, and then Disney was like, ooh, never mind. You guys effed that up. And then they were like, oh, shoot. What are we going to do? And then they got brought on by Netflix for the 3-body problem. And then the third guy died. Somebody poisoned him. That's kind of weird. Jimbo John said I knocked doors for Trump since August. Can thank me later. I got us lots of votes. Interesting. Very interesting. I thought that door-to-door solicitations were illegal. I used to do door-to-door sales for internet company under the guise of checking on our current customers. I learned a lot about sales back then. All right, who do we think is going to take it? 95,860. We got less than 1 minute left. It's clearly going to be... I'm going to say Index. I think Index is going to take it. Actually, I got to put his decimal in there. Is that right? Is that right for Index? Let me go check. That's confusing. There it is. There's the close. We got 95,863.11. Who is it? Who is it? Whoa. It is Money. Money is the winner. Congratulations. 95,836, 95,863. Whoa. That's pretty crazy. Congratulations, Money. Winner, winner. Guys, spam the bananas in the chat for Money. Send unsolicited nudes. Do what you will. Woohoo! Weirdly enough, 95,863 is like a dyslexic, I can't even type right now, version of 95,836, which is pretty crazy. These digits right here are just switched. I mean, that's kind of cool. And then this one's perfect right here, too. That's kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. Congratulations, Money. Winner, winner. Very nice, very nice. Money said, did you have any weird encounters? You know what? That's actually a good question. He said, do we still have to send nudes to Money? They're unsolicited, so it's up to you. No need. That's the point. Nobody gets a choice. Nobody has any choice. It's unsolicited, and it doesn't have to be of you. It can be of a stranger. Which makes it even more weird. Okay, anyways, any weird encounters when I worked sales? Not really. I quit very early. I got a clipboard and I quit because it was super shady. We were in my hometown that I grew up in, and there was this very sweet old lady, and the guy that was training me was knocking on her door, and he was insisting. And we watched this sweet old lady, and she takes like 10 minutes to stand up, and she stands up, and then she like grabs her walker, and she like takes forever to get over to the door, and we're standing there for like 10 minutes. And I was telling the guy, his name was John, I was like, John, this is fucked up. We're making this sweet old woman walk over here for us to try to fucking sell her some fucking shitty internet. And then she opens up the door, and he goes through his whole 10-minute thing. And they were like, if you see animals, try to relate to them. If you see kids, you be, oh my gosh, you have kids? I have kids. Oh my gosh, you have a dog? I have a dog. What kind of dog is he? They taught us like the slimiest salesman techniques. And he's doing all of this on this sweet old lady. And then she tells us to fuck off, essentially, in like the nicest sweet old lady way possible. And then we leave, and I was like, I don't want to work for this shitty ass company anymore. So I got my clipboard, and then I left. I was like, F this crap hole. I'm taking my clipboard and I'm going to work elsewhere. It was shady though. It was weird, man. Like, I learned a lot about sales. I could probably sell anyone anything if I wanted to. But it was freaking weird. I was like, this is fucked up. And then we went to another house, and I told John, I was like, this guy is the town pedophile. I don't want to be here. I don't want to knock on his door. He's a creepy weirdo. He should not have internet. We cannot sell this man internet. It was fucked up. But John was like, I don't give a fuck. I just want my commission. Crazy, man. It was crazy. But he'd said what would be scary is if you sent nudes of the winner to the winner. What the fuck? That would be like extra alarming, because how did you acquire those? All right, guys. Congratulations, Money, once again, guys. Spam the bananas in the chat for Money, the winner of today's daily close contest. Money has won bragging rights. Very nice. Very cool. Good job. I think Stinky Scrublets was the winner yesterday. Let me just double check. Yes, Stinky Scrublets was the winner yesterday. Stinky Scrublets had a super duper close guess. Nailed 6 of the 7 digits, which is crazy. So I sent him $5. He was off. His final digit was off by like 1 right here, or 2. He was off by $2. But everything else was perfectly spot on. So he had to win something. That's too big of a deal. I went with like a Powerball kind of rule, where if you match like a certain number of them, then you win something. But he'd said, I'm just in shambles. I have no idea if JJ looked at it. I have not looked at shambles yet. Thank you for reminding me, Fahid. Guys, it is Memecoin time. Let's go take a look at the Discord project of the week. Shambles, which should be pinned. Not in here, which should be pinned. Bam. All right. Very cool, very cool. So guys, feel free to purchase this or not. It's completely up to you, at your own discretion. This is a 5-minute chart. There's not a lot of volume on it, but it's just for fun. I got myself a little bag. It got pretty close to bonding. There were definitely sniper bots that got in on this early. So now that all the BS has been pretty much removed or shaken out, I think it's good to go for shilling purposes. So feel free to purchase them or not. It's completely up to you guys. The Twitter is the thing that I want to check out for sure. Fahid, send me the link to the Twitter, unless I can get it right here. Bam. There we go. Okay. So they got characters for parodying basically all of the major characters that may or may not influence cryptocurrency. We got Elizabeth Erin. We got Justin Singh. What do we got? Pandania. Cletus Skibbity, Ohio. McHoffs. This is beautiful. Beautiful picture. More Janet Jelen. Damie Jaiman. Dak Jordy. Oh, yeah. It's a fun time. We got Kim Dramer. Check it out for yourselves. All the information is in the Discord if you guys are interested. Otherwise, go just check out the Twitter page. It is at Shambles Token on Twitter. Do with that information what you will. It's just a fun time. Fun time. John said Shambles is trash. Janik said, a leaderboard in the Discord with the closest guess. Ooh, that'd be cool. Hoffs would be right at the top. because he was off by 1 penny. He would be at the top forever until somebody won. Creepy Sheepy said, I've bought a coin 2 years ago or so, and it's up 13x. Want to check it out? Let's do it, Creepy Sheepy. Let me see. Yeah, guys, feel free to shield your bags. I will happily go check them out. Did we hit 20 likes yet? What are you guys all going to do for Thanksgiving? We did hit 20 likes. Nice. Bitcoin's turning green. Getting a little pumpy. Congratulations once again to Money for winning. She's another one. Money and Fahid are like freakishly good at guessing the daily close for Bitcoin. It's kind of alarming. Bitcoin's at 96,000 right now. 95,998. So it's fighting for 96. ETH might get a little pullback. Bitcoin dominance turning green. Total 3. Total 3 getting a little red. Sol. Probably just going to continue its trajectory. ADA. Looking to retest this upper trend line. Hopefully hold it. SNEC getting green again. Polkadot. Red. SUI. Red. C red. Everything else is pretty red. Where's Doge at? Okay, Doge is taking a little breather. I'm so excited for Thanksgiving tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna try to not eat until I get to my mom's to eat the food that's there. Vahid said my closest was off by $1.78, but I still won bragging rights. That's the rules, man. Rules are rules. Creepy Sheepy said it's called just buy $1 worth of this coin. Bought $1, and it's now 13. Wow. Okay. Where do I look for it? Is it on Deck Screener? Oh. Nice. Okay. I'm assuming this is it. Dude, you said 2 years ago? I bought a coin. Oh, 2 days ago. Oh. I'll buy $1 of it. Why the heck not? Are people... See, this guy is breaking the rules. He's cheating. These guys are cheating. That'd be funny if they made it so you couldn't buy anything more than $1. That would be really funny. I wonder if you could write that into the contract. I'll buy $2.30. That's what I'll do. You guys, we got to support the movements. Not financial advice. Don't do what I do. 2 days ago or so. That's awesome. That's a cool name. I like it. That's fun, man. It's clever. I'm going to do... Should we do like just buy $1.78 of this coin for Fahid? Just buy a penny of this coin for Hoffs? Guys, if you are not familiar with the lore, feel free to join the Discord. The link is down in the description down below. It is not my Discord. I am that Discord's. I came from the Discord rather than the Discord coming from me. So it's the community that I sprouted from. But it's a community of like-minded crypto folks, and it's a fun time. I highly recommend it. It is genuinely enjoyable little group of people. I think we're over 100 members strong now. So cool. Yeah, I like that coin. That's funny. Guys, we got Shambles. We got just buy $1 of this coin. Did my buy go through? Where's it at? Aha. 46.35. I like to mark my buys on the chart. 46.35. 46.35. Sweet. I'm already up 4.29%. Nice. Yeah, this is awesome. Watch this thing go to like billions. See, the way to look at it though is if there was 47.8 million market cap and 47.8 million holders, that would be hilarious. Yeah, this super thing I'm super interested in. I would like to see it on more exchanges. But I mean, it looks great, honestly. It really does. Bitcoin's flipping a little bit red. See how she plays out. Greg Ross said, how about Cancer? I'm assuming that is a Dex screener coin. Fuck Cancer or Cancer Soul? Which one? Creepy Sheepy said $12 profit. Let's effing go. Can buy a burger now. I think you're looking at it the wrong way. You have like 13,000 or is it 1,300% profits? I think it's 1,300. That's huge. Okay, fuck Cancer. Thank you. That's what I thought. I can get behind this one. My dad died from cancer, not breast cancer. I don't know if that's even possible. I probably shouldn't be laughing at it, but let's see. RSI. Let's do some TA on this meme. Ooh. Okay. I pointed this out earlier. The cat ears in the chart. I don't know why. For some reason, this is always followed by a huge pump when it's present in the RSI. This little cat ears thing. I don't know if it's like some kind of distribution or something, but for some reason, every time I see that in the chart, it blows up. Let me show you where else I saw it. It's on the ticker is ETH. Right here. Same exact thing. The little cat ears. And the price starts to go up. Every single time. So maybe that's going to happen over here. Would be interesting to see. So I'm going to circle that just to have it there. But you do... What else do you have? I guess there's no way to tell if there's bullish div right off the bat because there's not a lot of chart data. If there is, it's very faint. I do like this triple bottom setup. 3 hits to the downside, and this is lower than the other two, so it could also be inverse head and shoulders, but the neckline gets sloppy. So I would be looking for a definitive move off of this level, where it's at right now, to then kind of create the triple bottom setup. And then I want to see it break above this level next, and then this level. And then from there, I'd be looking for some targets, some take profit targets. If you're trading it. If you're holding it, then just hold it. It's only at a 500,000 market cap. And people generally do not like Cancer. So, yeah. I will go follow them on Twitter, though, because I appreciate the message. Do they donate? Do they have a thing? Yes, they do. That's awesome. Okay, yeah, I like this. I like this project. This is sick. I'm gonna add it to the watch list. Very cool. I like philanthropic crypto. He said, I'm not a fan of charity tokens, but so many of them, where are they now? So many of them, where are they now? Greg said they are donating to several cancer-related charities. I don't mind them. I think that they're cool. Like, would you rather be rugged in general or rugged by a charity token? One of them helps people, the other one helps nobody. So, and maybe it won't even rug. It is what it is. But I think that it's cool. I like charity tokens. But I see it, to each their own. I got nothing with your. I got no problem with your opinion, Fahid. I see where you're coming from. Let's see. ETH kind of still looking like it wants to push up. Guys, forgive me. One moment while I stare into the camera, applying chapstick once more. Fahid said as long as we got proof of a charitable donation, it's fine. It is what it is. It is what it is. Tyler said, dang, I missed the guess. And the movie was booked. Tyler, the people voted. You got in with a 53% in favor of you. There was 19 votes, which I think means you got 10 of them. I think you got 10 votes and nine said no. You got in with 53% 3 minutes prior, but you did not win. You were not close at all. But we did let you participate. The people voted and they decided, yes, Tyler can play. So I'm sorry to hear about the movie. If you want, you can join the Discord and I can send you a link where you may or may not be able to watch it at home with the questionable quality and probably some some gambling advertisements spliced into the middle of it. Allegedly. Tyler said, I love you guys. Well, 50% of you. That's great. All right, guys, let's see. What other tokens I would like to see? Can't we see the top 10? Look at ETH. ETH is getting ready to continue up. Is Bitcoin dominance rip into the downside? Not yet. ETH looks really good, though. Let's see. Let's see. I want to see the top 10 from, sure, November 28th, 2021. Oh, that's today. Sick. Okay. So we got 2021? Really? Interesting. It's weird how similar it is. We got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Tether, Sol, ADA, XRP, USDC, Polkadot, Doge, Avalanche, SHIB, Terra, Crow, Wrapped Bitcoin, Litecoin, Binance USD, Uniswap, Polygon, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash, Algorand, Decentraland, Elrond, eGold, 412. Where's this at today? That'll be interesting to look at. Wow, nowhere near its high. Axie Infinity, Stellar, 32 cents. XLM, oops, 47 cents, okay. ICP, Terra, UST. Oh no, this was live already? This is the beginning. This is the beginning of Terra's downfall. No, that's so awful. VeChain, Filecoin, FTX. Oh my gosh. There's so much bad stuff. Tron, Sandbox, Theta, DAI, ETH Classic, Cosmos, Bitcoin BEP2, Hedera, Phantom, Gala, Near. I genuinely had no idea that Near was around last bull market. Is that weird? Monero, The Graph, Helium, Tezos, Loopring, EOS. Ugh, EOS. What are they at right now? I feel bad for EOS. Not a single person has asked about EOS. 82 cents. They were at $3.90. Wow. Flow and IOTA. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Gala was up 92% this day. Sandbox was up 90 or 85%. I'm sorry, this week. Decentraland was up 40% this week. Terra was up 14% this week. Everything else was actually quite down. Very, very interesting. All right, guys, if you guys are ever interested, the CoinMarketCap historical snapshot, it's just coinmarketcap.com/historical. And then you can type in, or you can change the dates to whatever you want. It's really, really neat. Very, very cool information to check out for sure. Highly recommend using it as a tool at your disposal. Tyler said Stellar is XLM. Yeah, I know that. Did I say otherwise? Yeah. Guys, I'm kind of hungry. Kind of hungry. We got 18 people watching. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to smash the like button and share the stream with your friends and family. Historical snapshot. Very interesting. I kind of want to side-by-side this. So let me do something. I'm gonna turn on my display capture. And I'm gonna do, yep, fit to screen. Give me 1 second. Bear with me here. And then I'm gonna put it below my webcam. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do another historical snapshot. Of probably like yesterday. November 24th, 2024. And I just want to do them side by side. Right. Sure. Let's do that. So Bitcoin this time around is 98K. It was 57. Ethereum. Let me accept the damn cookies. Okay. Ethereum was 33.63 this time, or last time it was 42.94. Wow, that's interesting. Tether was $1. This time it's $1. Interesting. Binance was 611. This time it's 660. Wow. Sol was 200. This time it's 252. Cardano was $1.59. This time it is $1. XRP was 96 cents. This time it's $1.43. Polkadot was $35. This time it is $8. Doge was 20 cents. This time it's 42 cents. Avalanche was 110. This time it's 42. SHIB was 0.0000391. This time it is 0.0000257. Terra isn't even on this one. Crypto.com was 75 cents. Are they here? I don't remember seeing them. Is it Kronos now? Is that it? Yep, it is Kronos. It was 75. This time it's 19. Where's Polygon? I thought Polygon was up here. Polygon Matic Pole, $1.65. This time it is 57 cents. ETH Classic. Anyone interested in anything particular, let me know. I will find it. Was 47.52. This time it's 28.86. Yeah, this is super interesting to look at. Janik said, LOL. Greg said, Cancer is live streaming their donations from a community wallet. Nice. Oops. All right. Okay. Render. This time it's $8.04. I don't even think it was around back then, was it? I don't think so. It's super crazy to see what else is in here. Pax Dollar, Bancourse, Nervous Network, XDC, Yearn Finance, Voyager, another rug, Sushi, 0x, OMG Network, Oasis, Ravencoin, LivePeer. I remember it's weird seeing some of these. It like triggers some weird form of nostalgia. OKB, Decred, Mina, Iotex, Nem, Immutable X, Compound, KuCoin, Curve DAO, BitTorrent, Hollow Wave Stacks, Quaint, Basic Attention Token, Chili's, number 66 at 44 cents. Wow. Chili's is, I think it's like 8 cents right now. They got a long ways to go. That's actually quite a good money maker if that thing goes. Where the heck is Chili's? Am I crazy? There's no way it's down this far, right? Wow, it is. 9 cents right now. It was 44. I mean, there's some money to be made if that's the case. As long as they haven't inflated, I think there's definitely money to be made on chilies. We got Dog with Hat, OKB, Bonk. A lot of meme coins in the top 100 this time around. Dai, Hedera, Uniswap. Guys, anything from like number 15 to 25, I think I would be loading up so hard. I would even go to 45. Render, I definitely would load up on some render. I had a whole thing I was gonna do, a whole video with a big ass list of all the coins that I was looking at. All right, let me turn this off now. Oops. Yeah. All right. Nebula Music said, when AI pump. I think that's the problem, is AI had a very, very large run before the bull market. So it's kind of just lagging, I would say. I'm not saying it's not going to run. I just think it's going to take a minute. But Render was one of the coins in my list that I was going to do. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to find it. Unless... Yeah, no. Nope. I got nothing. But yeah, guys, definitely check out the historical snapshot feature on CoinMarketCap. It comes in handy quite a bit. Tyler said, JJ, don't forget to buy Sologenic. Yeah, I gotta go do the KYC on MXC, so it's gonna take me some time, because I'm sure they're gonna take like a week to verify my information, which is BS, but it is what it is. But yeah, MXC has all the good coins still. I really do miss it. It was like the best exchange. The closest equivalent, guys, Our Bit is linked in the description in case you guys want to sign up. And if you're looking for a reliable, safe on-ramp, Coinbase is also down there. And Bitunix. Bitunix and Our Bit do not require KYC, so if you guys want to trade leverage, those are down there as well. Tyler said, guess what I found today? That if it comes back, it could be massive. What? Tell me. SAR, Santa, Coco, Riz Guy, Jack, Propaganda, UBC, and Universal Basic Computer. That's funny. NPC. Is this old? Nope, 10 hours. Every once in a while I'll see a coin that I've recognized, and it's not. It's the coin that like somebody copycatted, and it's 10 hours old. Christopher Dirksen said Radium TA. Ooh, Blowfin. I've been hearing a lot about Blowfin. Radium is kind of doing what everything else is doing. It's in this big, beautiful uptrend. I would not be surprised if it got a retrace with the rest of the market when the rest of the market decides to retrace. But right now, you're in a beautiful, solid uptrend. It broke below it for a second, a little bear trap, it looked like. And, I mean, what? You had bullish div here, which kind of showed you that the price is going to continue to go up. So what I would do, actually you have more here too. What I would do is I would wait for, actually I would just chill. If you're holding this, I would just chill. And that's for long term. That's not financial advice. That's just what I would do. If I was holding this, I would just chill. I might consider a trade though. But that's got to be at your own discretion. See, the problem is right now, you got the bullish div right here because you got a solidified bounce right there. And that's right there. But the price came back down and is touching this level while the RSI did not. So the RSI is hovering quite a ways above your blue line. Which means if this does go down a little bit further to reset that, then that would just change the point, but you would still want to look for a definitive bounce off of that line and reset your point for your bullish div to that new line. And then look for that definitive bounce and then make a trade based off of that. That's what I would do. Not financial advice, but it looks good. There's bearish div too, though, but we've watched this play out a couple of times where the bearish div, so you had bullish div pushing into bearish div, pushing into more bullish div. So we've watched that play out a couple of times where that creates a pressure cooker effect and the price just explodes to the upside. We watched it play out with Barsic. We watched it play out with the Roaring Kitty meme, Roar on ETH. I think we watched it play out maybe with Polkadot. We watched it play out with one of these mainstream blue chips. But the bearish div pushes into the bullish div, which pushes into bearish div again, which pushes into bullish div again, and then the price pops. So you got two instances of bearish bullish, and then the pressure cooker. It's a move that we've kind of been like playing around with and watching. It's not a surefire way, but it's something we like to look at. Tyler said Gala, and if NFTs come back, big gamble, but it could be huge. Christopher said way too inflationary. Tyler said teach me how to figure that out again. RJ said feels good, man. Sorry, I meant Muse. Okay, so the inflation thing. The easiest way would just be market cap of, or the historical snapshot. But what you want to do is you want to look at the historical snapshot for sure. And you want to look at the current thing. So historical snapshot. Let's go to 2021. Let's go to August 22nd, 2021. And I'm going to find Gala. Did I pass it already? Let's see. So we're going to find Gala. We got Engine right there. I think I might have passed it. I think it might be way up there. Is it really that close? 10, 11, 12, blah, 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 blah. There's no way. Let me just look it up. It's all-time high, November 26, 2021. Okay, so let's go to November 26, 2021. November 28th, sure. Gala Games. Bear with me, guys. Right here, Gala. So their market cap, their circulating supply was 6,977,000,000. And then their current circulating is 35.9 billion. So let's do that math actually. 35.9, actually 35 billion divided by 6 billion. So it's 5.83 times more inflated, which means the market cap of, what is this, 4 billion? Pretty much 5 billion. You would need 5 billion times 5.83. Hang on. 5 billion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Times 5.83. You would need a 29 billion, 150 million, right? Yep, 29 billion, 150 million dollar market cap in order for Gala to ever reach 71 cents again. That's basically how you do that. So look at the historical snapshot, circulating supply, compare it to today's circulating supply, and that's how you know it's inflated. And then you can do the math to figure out the market cap to get to previous all-time high. React said QI. Let's go look at Muse really quick. Muse. Spell it correctly, JJ. Muse. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button, share the stream. Appreciate you guys for being here. I'm starting to lose my voice a little bit. Muse, number go up. There's not much I can really say. So it failed the 618. Probably going to the 786. If I know anything about Fibonacci, which I don't, so do with that information what you will. Haven't really seen this pattern play out. Or I guess maybe it has done that. It pumps sideways, pump sideways, pump sideways. So maybe it's just going to do this and then go into more pumpage. That's just a guess. I would wait for it to find some support though, if you're looking at this for anything, any kind of buys or anything like that. React said QI. Key? Benki? On Avalanche? This thing looks good. Then a little accumulation. On the 4 hour, let's go to the daily. Yeah. It's just in a little accumulation phase. Nothing crazy. So it looks like, and the inflation rate's always important to look at, so consider that with stuff like this. Broke this level, became resistance, broke back above it, failed to test it as support, became resistance again for a few minutes or a couple days, what have you. Broke back above it, tested it as support successfully, broke back below it, resistance, 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 resistance. So you want to get a solidified break above this level, probably retest it, and continuation. That's what I would look for with Benki specifically, because this 19, probably 2 cents level is quite the hard break here. RJ said Sanctum INF yield at 12.99%. I don't know what that is, but 12.99% is very nice. Alright guys, I've been going for an hour and a half. Probably gonna call it. If Bitcoin starts to do anything crazy, then you guys know I will hop back on. Otherwise, I'm probably gonna stream some DayZ with Drew in a little bit. Don't forget to congratulate Money, our winner of the daily close contest today. Her guess was 95.836 and 81 cents. The actual close was 96.863 and 11 cents. Congratulations, Money. Everybody else, congratulations. You made it through another episode. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Smash the like button on your way out. Share the stream with your friends and family. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy Thanksgiving and happy Wednesday. Good night.